We are here in Vancouver and we just ate at Cafe Medina. What are your thoughts?
They hit me. I can't talk. A menu hit my head. That's okay.
We were so excited because our like family name is Medina. So we bought all the merch. We were probably the only people who's ever bought the merch there, but we had to. We even asked the guy for like the stickers that they put on the waffles. Oh, and their waffles were so good. Yeah, highly recommend if you're in Vancouver. Apparently it's like the most like recommended place to eat while you're here, so I recommend it. So we are headed to the Victoria ferry. We're gonna take a ferry ride from Vancouver to Victoria, and that should be super fun and beautiful. The whole ferry ride is super scenic, so I'm just so excited to go. It'll be so pretty.
I think that the guy behind us is the last one.
Oh, cheers.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's sweet. That's sweeter than milk.
Does it taste like
Kind of tastes like mustard.
What do you rate it?
I think a 7.
7?
What do you rate it?
7.5.
7.5. How about these Maynard's gummy bears?
Those? Like a 4. 9 out of 10.
9? Oh, I thought they were 4 too.
It has a bow tie.
These fine Canadian delicacies.
Your palate is not as exquisite as mine.
Oh yeah. We are here at the British Parliament building. We took like an hour and 30-minute ferry to get here. Yeah, so we just decided to go downtown, see some of the sights. We were all like super sleepy, so we went to Murchie's, which is like a coffee and cheese supplier in Vancouver, and they actually supplied like coffee and tea for the Queen when she comes here. So that's pretty cool. Redfish, bluefish. I ordered a wild salmon fish and chips, and it's really cool because this place sustainably sources their fish. So here's my food. I got a chowder and a fish and chips. And we have this beautiful view. Hello, we're on the ferry home from Victoria now. It ended up being like such a perfect day, even though we didn't plan like any part of it except like getting on the ferry there. Yeah, we were even joking about how like everything was so like uncannily perfect. Yeah, it was just a nice day. And now we're on the sunset ride back to Vancouver. So that's awesome. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Duck lips.